Welcome to this detailed guide on how to view your WordPress activity log using a simple step-by-step process. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate to your WordPress site and access the essential tracking feature that records every significant action on your website. This activity log serves as an important tool for monitoring changes, keeping track of updates, and ensuring the security and proper functioning of your site. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to your WordPress site. When you visit the WordPress homepage, you will notice that most sites have a login option easily visible on the screen. In this instance, you should look towards the top right corner of the page where the login button is located. Clicking the login button will prompt you to enter your credentials, allowing you to access the back end of your site. Once you have clicked on the login button, you will see several options to proceed with signing into your account. One efficient method is to use your Google account. You will find that there is an option labeled Continue with Google. By selecting this option, the website leverages your Google credentials to streamline the login process. When you click on Continue with Google, a new window or prompt will appear asking you to choose the appropriate Google account in case you have multiple accounts signed in. Simply choose the account that you want to use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. This method is both secure and convenient as it avoids the need for additional passwords. After you have successfully logged in with your chosen Google account, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you have access, focus on locating the Jetpack section. Jetpack is a powerful plugin that integrates smoothly with WordPress to provide additional features including automated backups, security measures, and performance enhancements. Within this area of your dashboard, you will find a variety of tools designed to help you manage your website more efficiently. To proceed further, click on the Jetpack section. Once you have clicked on Jetpack, the interface will present several options related to the plugin's features. Look for the option that says Activity Log. The activity log is specifically created to provide a comprehensive record of all the activities that have taken place on your website. This includes actions like post updates, plugin installations, configuration changes, and even login activities. Clicking on Activity Log will open a detailed log view, allowing you to monitor every important event that has occurred on your WordPress site. Inside the activity log, the entries are displayed in a clear and organized manner. You will be able to review each action along with details such as the date and time the activity took place. This feature is especially useful for quickly diagnosing errors or confirming that recent edits and updates have been applied successfully. With this functionality at your fingertips, managing your website becomes a much more transparent and controlled process. Following these steps will allow you to efficiently keep an eye on your website's performance and security. The activity log is a vital part of maintaining your website's health because it gives you a complete historical record of all fundamental events. Enjoy using this guide to establish a habit of regularly reviewing your site's activity, ensuring that you are always informed about the status and integrity of your content and configurations.